Namaskar. Every year we celebrate on this April 22nd the World's Earth Day. In 1970, 70 ମସିହାରେ this was started in America with celebration by 190 countries. Previous the initiation was peculiar, the starting was very peculiar. Before 1969, the Americans were thinking, they were not caring about the pollution, air pollution, thinking that the smell of vehicles, automobiles, that is the expression of richness. But later it is learned that this is poisonous and poisonous gas kills us. Besides this, the industrial smoke and slugs also added to the air pollution, these automobiles gases. American Senator Gerald Nelson, he first gave the idea that how this can be tackled. There was a book written that time, and that book was circulated 50,000 copies within a span of very small days. That was actually based on Americans and other people that this is dangerous for water pollution and air pollution. Steps were taken there to took the birth of Earth Day, that is to safeguard the environment, that is to safeguard the environment where we live. Our earth, our planet is made habitable with the efforts of the people, otherwise it will be a hell. Today we can see even in Bhubaneswar it is 41 degrees centigrade and more than that it is increasing. This is a climate change. Every year we see that due to climate change we are suffering a lot. Our habitation in earth is hampered and we are in problem. That's why this year the theme for the celebration of April 22 is World Earth Day with climate action. Previously it was 1919, it was keeping the species protected, and then before that it was plastic, war against plastic, and similarly different time, different places. The whole thing is that we are after the Earth's Day. Earth's Day is celebrated all over the world. It is recognized by UN and United Nations recognition. Previously, though it is started by America, Harold Nelson, and he made it very clear that the students who were on strike on anti-war activities and war activities, and also there is one issue which started this World Earth Day, that is in California coast of sea, oil spill was there 1969 and thousands of marine species dies. That is also created havoc in the mind of the senator, and they were thinking what to do. In the meantime the students were on strike and they started this, there is a discussion on environment, that how to keep the environment so that our life can be saved and our earth can be habitable. Similarly, what we can do for earth to earth? I have told about the lead gas emitted by these automobiles in America, and there then other is carbon dioxide gases, similarly making the air pollution and water pollution by industrial waste and slugs. Similarly, the first Earth Day was celebrated, and Gaylord Nelson came with the idea for a nation's day of focus on the environment, and United Nations they also recognize this, and it has become worldwide celebrated. April 2nd, 22nd, falling between spring